Hello, welcome to Crowded Lab channel. Today I will be doing Fini AI chatbot review. Nowadays there are more and more similar tools appearing, and this one is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal at the moment, and a very interesting set of features that Fini has is a lot of very good integrations. You can deploy via API. You can use Chrome extension. With chat widget, you should be able to integrate a chatbot into your website. You can integrate a widget into Slack and Discord. We'll check those integrations in this demo. And you have other very popular tools like Zendesk, Intercom, with which you can set up your customer support or any other tasks that you need your chatbot to do. So again, this one is pretty interesting and I'm excited to check how it will perform. They brag about some big names on their main webpage: Duolingo, Jaguar, Land Rover. Let's quickly check Appsumo deal. Basically, like any chatbot, you will be able to train it using your data. A cool feature could be that you can send responses in different languages. I think that's a great feature. You can train your bot in English and send responses in Spanish, for example, or in Greek. Again, what I mentioned in the beginning of the video, very powerful feature, a lot of great integrations like with Slack, Discord, or Zendesk. So you can deploy your chatbot and make it enabled through different channels to have a wider reach for your customers, clients, users of your chatbot. They have some certifications like GDPR to protect customer data. They have ability to mask sensitive data. They support 50 plus languages, and they come in two tiers. With the first tier, you will be using ChatGPT 3.5. This one, I think it's not a problem, though the number of questions here is pretty limited. We can check 1000 divided by 30. It's 33 questions per day. See for yourself if it will be enough for you. And the license tier 2 comes with additional features. You have increased number of questions users can ask your chatbot per month. It is 5,000. You will be able to use GPT-4, have unlimited bots, and have native integration with Intercom, Zendesk, and Slack. Let's compare Appsumo deal with their regular pricing. They have free plan, but you will only have 25 monthly questions, and they charge per question. Let's compare that to Appsumo deal for 5,000 questions. With their standard plan, 5,000 questions will cost 380, and you get that for 229. I think it's a great deal. Regarding number of questions, 5,000 by 30, you will be able to use that bot and answer 166 questions per month. So see for yourself if it will be enough. All right, let's move to the fun part and actually create and train our bot. Let's have our bot like this, and let's have better quality of answers. Let's go next. You can add individual links. You can also crawl parent link to find links within parent page. For the use case, let's imagine you have a website on very extensive topic like keto diet. For example, you can check this website. It seems very, very detailed for the demo purpose. Let's use that. Let's imagine you would like to create a bot that will be able to answer different questions about how to start doing keto, what you can eat, what you cannot eat. Let's create bot. All right, the processing started. We'll get back to that in a moment. While the bot is being created, let's set up connection to Slack and Discord. Let's add to workspace Slack. Here it is. We need to check the channel where the chatbot will appear. Let's proceed. All right, let's do the same for Discord. Here it is. Let's authorize. All right, that's done. While we're waiting for the first bot creation, let's also create another bot and pass knowledge base to that. Now let's have quicker bot creation. Let's go next. Now let's use a knowledge base from Answerly. It is another chatbot creation software, which is available on Appsumo. I did review on that tool as well. You may check the link in the description. Let's test Fini AI on the knowledge base of Answerly. Let's go and create chatbot. Okay, first time, the second link didn't load. Let's add it again, like this. And let's add. While bot creation is in progress, you also can select default language. Let it be English. Okay, I see it wasn't able to load this website. Let's do one more try for Answerly and add individual links. Let's go next. Okay, we have all our links. Let's add those. We can see estimated time to train our bot is 2 minutes. Let's go. You can see our bot is being updated with new links. Okay, we can see that our knowledge base pages were loaded. We can configure some parameters, knowledge base and general knowledge. Let it be so. Let's test in English first, and let's answer in friendly. Let's go to the chatbot. Here is Answerly, and let's test it. Let's ask what is Discover feature. This answer was pretty generic. I was expecting something from this page. It is about Discover feature in Answerly. Let's ask some generic question about Answerly. What is Answerly? Okay, now it's better. Okay, for Answerly chatbot, I've sent all the links which I loaded previously and recreated those with high quality bot creation. Let's see if this high quality bot creation setting for the same links will make a difference. So the bot is being updated. Let's wait. Okay, I see links were updated. So let's ask again, can you use success message in contact form? So let's check. Okay, this answer is generic. I think it is not referring to Answerly, and we have loaded the data. Okay, let's ask a bit more specific question about how to set up Answerly contact form. You will need to input your email address and success message. Okay, the question is how to set up Answerly contact form. Let's go. So this time, it was more accurate. It pointed us to contact form settings, though it didn't mention success message. However, in general, it was better. Not sure why it is not saving the chat history. It would be nice to add that. Okay, let's go and test integrations. Let's check the Slack first. So we have our bots. Let's check this one, which trained on the article about keto. And let's enable it for this channel. Let's save. So in Slack, you can see edit application, ask Fini AI. And if you go to this channel, which I created specifically for testing, Fini AI chatbot review, we can see there is edit integration, ask Fini AI. Let's see how it works. Let's ask the question, what protein can you eat on keto diet? Let's do this time like this. Let's mention Ask Fini AI. Okay, actually, all previous times where I was not getting answers, the Fini AI actually was working, and with a bit delay, it sent a message, please stand by. I searched the knowledge base, and here it is, the answers, like what good options could be. Now let's do Discord bot test. Let's use this bot trained on keto article, and let it be in general channel. Let's save it. All right, here is our Discord server. We can see Fini AI. Okay, let's test Fini AI bot in general channel. Let's ask this question. Top health benefits of ketogenic diet. We can see the bot replied it's trying to search knowledge base. Well, for Discord, seems some error occurred. Okay, let's update the configuration and test Answerly in another channel. Let's save it. Okay, let's test it like so. What is keto diet? Now it worked, and actually it is great because it gave the actual information and it referenced the source where it get information. So in all chatbot, it is important to understand and be sure that AI did not hallucinate the result. And here we can see the reference. And it is actual reference that I used for this demo purpose. By the way, the site seems to be very thorough on keto topic. So you may check it here, ketovalley.com. Let's try the question one more time, the one that didn't work previously. The response was very quick here, and again, we got the needed information. Here in the original document, we can see top benefits like weight loss, control of blood sugar, improved brain function. So in the original document, we have 8 benefits, and here we got 5, but I think that's also fine. Let's do another test. In software reviews Discord channel, we have Fini AI bot dedicated for Answerly knowledge base. So we can ask something like, how can you embed the Answerly chatbot? Okay, it instantly replied that it is searching the database, and it was very quick, and it provided the result. You need to log in, click on Embed tab. Let's actually check that. So Chatbot Manager is here. It's called Chatbot. Embed tab, it's actually called Instant Embed or iframe Embed. There are slight differences, but the great thing is that, again, it provided reference links. And those are relevant. Embedding the chatbot, creating a chatbot manager. So in Discord, I think I liked the integration the most because it provided reference links and it was fast. Almost instantly, I was getting the answers. Let's continue with another way you can integrate Fini AI chatbot. It is chat widget. I have added the widget for my website nameketchup.com. This is the title, this is the widget description, the color, and I've uploaded an image. So you will need to put this code into your website. If it is a WordPress, you can use some plugins to add custom script to your WordPress site. And here it is, the website, where you can check domain name and username availability across multiple social media sites like Twitter, Twitch, and others. And here at the bottom, we can see integrated chat widget. Here is the name, and we can actually ask some questions. The widget points to Answerly knowledge base. So let's ask, how can you import existing content into Knowledge Hub? All right, so that was very quick. We can see our image. You can see that we have several options. We can use website URLs. We can crawl website. You can import content from knowledge base, or you can import Google Docs or PDFs. And that is in line with capabilities of Answerly. You can use website, knowledge base, list of URLs, Google Docs, and PDFs. So that was nice, and the speed was fine as well. I'm actually very impressed. So the integration was very easy. There is another way you can use Fini AI. It is through Chrome extension. So with Chrome extension, you should be able to select any text on the internet and ask the question. So basically, it is like your AI assistant, and you don't need to train additionally to answer questions. Let's actually check how it works. Okay, so let's test it in Gmail. First, let's ask the questions about Answerly, the part which we trained chatbot to know about. What is Answerly? Right click and answer with Fini. It seems it can answer questions from knowledge bases, which we already added. So Answerly is a platform designed to help business stay accessible 24/7. It is basically a powered chatbot. So let's ask some generic question like how to make the perfect espresso. If you are into coffee, maybe you would like to know about it. Let's ask Fini. Yep. So in this case, even without adding additional information, it knows a lot. So basically, it will know anything that ChatGPT knows, and it can answer a lot of questions. For example, how to make the perfect espresso. Before finishing the demo, let's clean up all edit data. For this one, all is clear. And actually, before finishing, let's also do one more quick test and check how can it provide answers in different language. Let's try Spanish, save changes, bot updated, and let's ask this question: how can you import existing content into Answerly? Here it is, our Answerly knowledge base, and let's ask the question in Spanish. Let's translate the answer from Spanish to English, and this is great. So it provided the accurate results that you can import from links, Google Docs, and PDFs. That is insane. You can import in one language all of your knowledge base, and then without any additional cost, you will have ability to respond in other languages. That is amazing. Also, I've just asked the same question in English, and it provided the same result, but in Spanish. So in the setup of the chatbot, the chat language, it is the language in which it will respond, but seems it understands other languages as well for the input, at least English. Okay, so now we are ready to delete all the data. Moving to the conclusion. Honestly, I had fun using this tool, especially when I was integrating it with Slack, Discord, with custom website. It worked fine with all of those. With Slack, it was a bit slower, but it worked perfectly with Discord and custom site integration. Regarding the answers, it will depend, I think, on the quality of your documents. If it is very straightforward, the chatbot can provide more precise answers. And in case of Discord integration, it was providing the link sources of the articles where it found the information. So it's a great feature to understand that the chatbot didn't imagine or hallucinate it, and actually got that from the knowledge base that was added. Additional nice to have feature was Chrome extension, where you can ask, for example, in the Gmail, any question. You just need to highlight, right click, and choose the option Ask with Fini. So if you think this tool is right for you, please check the link in the description. My goal is to provide you with honest, unbiased opinion about the software. If something is not working, I will not hide it, as you saw in this video, so you can make the educated decision about if you need to purchase this software or not. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.